Hi, it's Tim at EngineFactory.com. I just finished building this beautiful 350 Chevrolet 440 horsepower turnkey engine. Go over some of the highlights on the engine build. We started with a late model 4-bolt main block, one-piece rear main seal. We have the engine block painted the black with the brass freeze plugs in there. You have the brand new timing cover, new balancer, high flow aluminum water pump, double roller timing chain in there. We have the Rolling Thunder roller lifter camshaft in there, AFR aluminum cylinder heads. It's real nice Taylor ignition wires, made in USA. All the wire markers are on there. Roller rocker arms are fully adjusted and set. We have the polished ridge style valve covers with the 350 badges on there. Black powder coated Vortec intake manifold. Thermostat housings on there. We installed the thermostat in there. We have the 2 extra water ports on the thermostat housing for any sensors, coolant sensors if needed. Holley 750 CFM carburetor on there. Throttle return spring, throttle cable ball. Correct oil pan on there. 14-inch chrome air cleaner with a washable filter. You have the HEI distributor in there, all set. We always install the proper automatic flex plate for the customer's transmission. Has the proper tooth count and balance for the 350 Chevrolet. PCV ventilation line on there, heavy duty Russell line. Manifold vacuum fittings installed for any vacuum hookups. We have the braided fuel lines going up to the Holley carburetor, electric choke wire, high torque mini starter, chrome dipstick and tube, high flow fuel pump, Russell heavy duty fuel line, inline gas filter here, all the AN fittings all set up. Every engine at Engine Factory is live run and fully tested for 45 minutes. You're going to get a video of your engine running in a stand. You're going to see all the readings. You're going to see the manifold vacuum reading, the water temperature, oil pressure, cold and hot. I set the ignition timing for you. That'll be all done. The idle mixture screws will be all balanced out and set to achieve the best manifold vacuum. The idle will be set. We check for leaks, everything. Everything is done 100% completely over. So you know when you put the engine in, you'll have total confidence. It'll be 100% perfect. So when you're ready to buy, give us a call, 1-800-326-6554, or send us an email at info@enginefactory.com. Thanks for watching.